Okay, let me stop the song. My friend Odmugad, you said this is the song because you've waited for the song. I couldn't see the exact song until you sent it to me. So Odmugad, you said we should do the solo. Your concentration is much on the solo, but so far as rhythm is concerned, have to do the chord analysis. The key is D. Do, yeda, waseda, yewa, duntina, then re, so, do. Oh no, now de, yefum, so, fire, now, osa, do, yare, wanyina, then we move to so. So, ye, why do, one, yeda, waseda, fa is fourth. And yewa, re, second, two. Tina, so, 5 yet ya see. Oh no, now day yeah for so fit do. Then we move to fa. Now as I do. Yari wanyina back to so. Oh de nipa do. Say ya for no mama fa. I don't know how to sing the song very well, so take the course like that. After that, I will do the rhythm analysis. So let's go straight to the solo. So solo, we can play it in the C shape here. You can see this D, but we are playing the C shape in the chord system. Or we move to the G shape here. Anywhere you choose, you can play it. Even in the A, you can manage your way and play it there. So I chose the G shape because of the other work. So mi, fa, so, mi. Re, mo, re, do, la. So let's go. Let's take close. Mi, fa, so, mi. Re, mo, do, re, mo. 1. You see, 1. The right strike only 1. Re, mo, do, la. Then we wait for the do. Fa, do. Then 2 times. You count 2 times. Then so, la, do, ti, la. So, la, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti. Again, write it. So, la, do, ti. So, here. So, la, do, ti is a pull off. So, la, do, ti, la. So, la, do, ti, la. So, la, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti. Again. So, la, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti. Then we play the same again. Mi, fa, so, mi. So, la, mi, fa. So let's take that part. Then it's a feeling there. So la, so. You see, 1. The hammer, pull off. Hammer on, hammer off. So la, so, fa, mi. So la, so, fa, mi. Then we move to the E shape here. Then he play so, ti, re, so, ti, do. So, ti, re, so, ti, do. Again. So, ti, re, so, ti, do. La, ti, so, la. So let's play the whole thing to where we've reached so that we'll not forget the back. So so re mi, so re mo, so re mo, do re la do, that part. So re mo, so re mo, do re la do. Before we play. La do ti la so fa mi re mi so mi do. Again. La do ti la so fa mi re mi so mi do. So then you move to. So let's spell that side again. Re mi fa mi, re mi fa mi, re mi fa mi. You see, re mi fa mi, re mi fa mi, re mo re do, re mi fa mi, re mo do. So let's take that. Are you lost? Let's get slow. Then that's part. That's the whole thing. So again. Then we move here. Mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, re, mi, re. Again. Mi, fa, mi, re. You hear that? Mi duet. So, mi. You have do here. That's the D. You have D here. So do, re, mi, do and mi, re and fa, mi and so. So he played mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa. So mi. So after we strum. Mi fa so, re, mi fa so. You bend the re, so or re mo re do or that is D. So la so fa mi. Then you crash the singer. So let's take it slow. Let's take it together with the song so that we may know exactly what we've done. Because I've called out all the names in the song. So that's all. So the rhythm part. So let's do that part. Mayemu. Shira 7. Shira do mayemu. 7. Shira eradi. Mire mi do ono na odi fumuzwa. Ono na odi fumuzwa firi ye tola. So that's the encomious part. So I don't want the lesson to be long, because as for the reading playing, we've done a lot. So take your time, listen to the song, copy, because I've shown the chord procedure, so I cannot teach every bit of the encomious in the solo or in the song. So Odumga, this is a song we requested that we should do, yeyi by Daughters of Glorious Jesus. That's the title of the song, yeyi. Don't forget to like the video, share for others to join us, because there are more to come. Thank you all for making me your number one friend here, your number one assistant, assisting you through the guitar lessons and other stuff. Thank you very much. You are all welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.